Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praizi. Today I am doing a science project which is the process of sedimentation. And do please like, share with your friends and subscribe and do comment also. Today I am showing an experiment on which we can see the process of sedimentation. So what is sedimentation? We can see many impurities in water. So many impurities can be removed by the process of sedimentation. Now we can take a beaker or a glass of a water and some soils. Now we take 2-3 spoons of soils into a glass of water. Now we mix it properly. Now we can see this sandy and dirty water. Now we wait for some time and see what is happening. After some time we can see the sandy particles which are heavy and insoluble are settled down and the clear water is above. But this water is not drinkable and we can use in other purpose by the process of decantation. So this all shows the process of sedimentation. Thank you.